All right. Hopefully, I can get a few more people back in the chat. I just had to take that call. Um, Sorry about that. I don't see any people in the chat, but probably be a few people that come back to it. But all right, so we're on the daily. Uh, no divergence. This is what I learned from a guy named Derek Vanderliner. Uh, this 200 is acting as a dynamic support resistance. So every time price is coming up here, it's rejecting down. Um, it's basically respecting this line. So a short play looks good. Let me go down to the 4 hour. Before I place this, let me see how many units I can actually get on a short, just so I can know, so I can hurry up and place it when I do. Let's see. Should be able to get. Damn, they won't even let me get a damn mini lot. I mean, yeah, mini. Spread is extremely high with this. 1.5. Yeah. Let me just see how many units I can get. Okay, so it's not gonna move at a dollar per pip, but whatever, man. So I got the max amount of. Okay, see two people pop back on in the chat. All right, so if you got any questions, just ask. I'm just recording my trade. That's all I'm doing. I'm not a teacher or anything. All right, so let me write this stuff down because it's divergence again on this time frame, which is the H4. Okay, make sure I'm writing this down. All right, so I'm writing this down. Um, and whatever pairs you're trading, you need to be looking for this as well. The way I've been trained, um, even on the RSI, well, it's definitely clear on the MACD because price is basically rising. Um, well, no, we already hit divergence. It already hit. Yeah, it's not in divergence right now. It already hit because price was going up. Yeah, divergence already hit. I should have seen that. Like, I just was kicking myself last night. Like, how did I not see that? I lost. I lost a lot. You know, I was expecting it to reverse and it didn't. Then I just closed out with a loss. So we're not in divergence on H4. Um, but we are on the weekly. And let me go back and double check that. It's just something for me to be aware of for next week, the week after that. Um, I don't think we in divergence anymore because it seemed like it hit already on the weekly. I mean, this candle here spiked up and basically broke this structure right here. Yeah, I think that hit already. This would have been a good time to see on this candle here, which was November 1st. Huge spike. You have to watch this and see if this is still in the downtrend. All right, hold on. Somebody asked a question in the chat. Um, yeah, you can. She asks about how do you know what the name of the candlesticks? You have to print out a chart and like study these patterns. It'll help you. It'll show you what's going on. Um, I'll actually take a picture and send it um, where you can. It's a whole candlestick analysis chart that I have that I stare at all the time. All right, so let's go down to the hour. This is where we probably will set up a play and then enter on the lower time frames. This is how some of my my teachers do it. Yeah, somebody said, what is all these lines? Um, I'll explain that. Hold on. I don't delete the lines because it shows the history of my analysis. And my teachers, they don't delete their lines either. But if you click on this button right here, it'll delete everything so you can see clearly. Look at this drop right here. I was sad last night based on this drop, but I should have saw it. It's ridiculous. I should have saw that coming based on my training, but I didn't. Um, Look at this huge drop. So price was respecting a daily line, and then boom, and this was divergence right here on H4 at the time. So if I go back, look at this. This is clear as day. I I don't know how I didn't see this. Like crazy. I deserve to lose right there. That's just crazy. I mean, how I didn't see that. Anyway, it would never happen again to me. But this is divergence, and you can look up the term on Google or whatever. So anyway, it's probably going to take me. Hold on, right quick. Somebody asked a question. I'm not going to say how much I lost, but it's probably going to take me 4 or 5 trades to recover. To be honest, because I was being delusional. Like I thought it was going to reverse, and it just kept going down. But I didn't. I don't know what I was thinking. Anyway, so all right. So I'm about to zoom in and try to draw a. I used with Fibonacci's, so I'm gonna try to see if I can draw one. The overall structure one. Yeah. Now let me show you something real quick. You're gonna learn a lot from losing. So if you have like a practice account, that'll help, or at least put $100 in or whatever. So here's the deal. This right here, you have to know patterns. You have to understand these patterns in the market as well. All right, hold on. Let me show you something. And I learned this from losing big time, like last week. Um, See, it's all starting to make sense. Hold on. All right, this is a pattern called a pennant, a bull pennant. So I had to learn the hard way last week. Um, Basically, the way it works is this is a continuation pattern of price going up. So when you do the time frame analysis, it all makes sense because on the weekly, we have divergence with price going up. This pattern right here is called a bull pennant. So basically, it's going to consolidate and then spike up, even though it's going down right now. And this is where I messed up last week. I was in a trade like this, and I saw price going down, and then I took a short without really thinking, and price went up, and it followed this pennant pattern. So this makes sense, for price to shoot back up because the overall trend is up. It's just consolidating and slightly going down, and then it's going to shoot back up to as what they call a correction. So I just wanted to point that out. That's what I think is going to happen. We don't know what's going to happen. Just probabilities. Let me make sure this is not a head and shoulders pattern because hold on right quick. Somebody said, what's the green line up top? Oh shit, hold on. This is called RSI. Now, this is actually about to start reversing back up because it's oversold at this point. Overbought or oversold, one of them. But the whole point is when it reaches out of this line right here, see, look what happened last time. You start reversing back up. So I actually wouldn't take a short right here because I'm gonna get my, I'm gonna lose on that. So I'm actually gonna place a long. I can go long on here based on this time frame. Hold on, let me see. Now I use something called pivot points. It is an indicator, but I still know how to draw structure. I just, as far as support and resistance lines, but these pivot points play out like a lot. So I could take a long. I could go long to this pivot point right here. Price may break it, but this looks like a play right here. $77 pips. Let me turn my lines back on. See, I still use pivot points, but I just turned on my drawings, and you see all the structure that I drew from my own thinking. So, this is actually an area of confluence right here. We have a daily trend line, we have a pivot point, and we have a H4 line. So this is an area of indecision. Let me look at this RSI again. I want to take a long play, but I want to zoom out and take a look at the RSI on H4 to see if it matches up. Okay, hold on. Let me go down to the 30 minute. Yeah, see, this is how you got to understand candlestick analysis. This right here is called a belt hold. When I start seeing these in a downtrend, it's basically a sign of a reversal up. But you wouldn't know that if you don't look at the candles. Um, so let me see. Let me go back to the hour. All right, so let me set this up real quick. Hold on. All right, so I just placed a buy limit order based on this here. So I'm gonna buy it to this area. Um, so when the RSI is sticking out like this, price is gonna shoot back up. See, let me show you. This is why I did it. This is just a short term play. This isn't swing trading or anything. Um, Now what I want to do is, and I probably should have did this before, but I want to draw a Fibonacci based on, see if I can draw one, based on price going up to my area. You see, it's even a pivot point right here. Okay, we just got somebody else in the chat. Where you from? Looks like a spammer. Doesn't look like a real person. Anyway, all right, hold on. Trying to see if I can draw. It look like I may have to draw. I'm trying to see what are my odds of it coming back up based on Fibonacci. Swing low to the swing high. Okay, so I may be able to draw one here. Go to the 30 minute. See if I can draw one real quick. I need to draw it the other way. Now, I don't think this is correct. Don't look right. All right, so let's look at some candlestick analysis based on my own training. So we're in a downtrend. You see this downtrend, and It just formed a tweezer bottom right here, which means price is about to shoot back up. But it just formed a belt hold, a bullish belt hold, because this is bearish, but this is why this candle was bullish. I need to zoom in on a 5 minute, see what's really going on. Okay. Let me go on a higher time frame and draw me a structure real quick. You have to draw something on H4, which is extremely high time frame to be doing this on. Okay, so here's a major structure. If I can draw real quick. So what I learned from a woman named Jessica Lane, you can look her up. She uses Fibonacci's religiously. Hold on. So where price is now, it's pulling back to the 50% line. This looks good because where my take profit is right above the 38.2, which is a key reversal area for price to reverse. Sometimes what I like to do as well is come here and draw a line graph just so I can see. I could just draw a line graph myself, but this line graph isn't all the way accurate because it's only showing the closing of the candles, not the wicks. That's why it's up here. That's the wick. But we still can kind of guesstimate since it's just a major structure fib I'm drawing. So price came down, hit the 38.2. Retested it. It tried to break down and then retested it. So it went down. It went down. I want it to come down here to the 61.8, but let me see what the RSI is doing again on that hour. Yeah, prices, I mean, what the hell happened? Oh, wow. Oh, let's see what happened. I didn't. I didn't lost my chart. Hold on. This is the 50. Wow. I don't know what happened to my. Let me refresh this. Oh, oh. I done lost my damn. What a different time frame. I don't know what happened. Fuck. Man, I don't know what the fuck just happened. I'm up here trying to. Wow. All right. God damn. Stuff was all over the place. All right, so let me go back to the hour chart to take a look at this. All right, so like I said, price is out of this area here on RSI. So when that happens, like right here, it happened. Price shot back up. Uh, it did it right here as well. So that's why I took a long play, short-term long play. I'm not going to. I'm actually going to have to be conservative with this because we only got like an hour left. So what I'm about to do now is look for structure to the left. Put this take profit, or I may just close the position once I actually once I'm in profit a little bit. Yeah. So like right here, price dipped out, went real deep, and then when it starts to come back up, it's a white candle, which is my bullish candle. So that's what I'm waiting on. Then I'll get out. We'll go down to the 5 minute chart. See this. Not what I want to see right there. Oh Lord. Strong bullish right here. Bearish. Chelsea. Yeah, I'm on a 5 minute chart. Yeah, Chelsea said what time frame is it? What do you choose? Yeah, the lower you go on the time frame, you can see like what the candles are actually doing. Like this right here was a hammer. This is a hammer pattern. Well, price got knocked down. Now, if this one closes as a hammer, I already know price is going up. Just based on candlestick education. For short-term moves, just to know what the next one's going to do. So if this closes at a hammer, which it looks like, the action would be good since I'm going long. Just waiting to see what this next one does. Hopefully it closes at a hammer. Appreciate you guys watching too. Like I said, the video is recorded on my Facebook page. Just click on that hashtag and you'll see in that link. I want to see what this candle does. If it shows a bullish formation coming, I'm gonna go back to the hour chart to see, and you'll see that the dip, it'll start retracing back up into the blue area. So like it may create a doji right here. Oh, we got an indecision. What's this? I forget the name of this candlestick pattern. Fuck. Let me look at my chart. That's what I do. Like I'll look at the patterns, and then I'll do like research as they're forming, like just so I can know exactly what to do in that moment. So what's forming right now is, let me look at my notes. Yeah. As soon as I'm in profit, I'm exiting, because yeah, it moves pretty fast on a 5 minute. You're right, Jerry. You're right about that. All right, so let me go to the hour chart and see what's going on with the RSI, because it was peaking out, and now you'll see it starting to either go retrace back into the blue area, which is what we want to see, or is what I want to see, because you guys not in the trade, I don't think. Yeah, see, this was a hammer right here, a huge hammer, which this is why price got knocked down. See, the further this goes down, when it comes back up, it's going to come back up with a vengeance. My bullish candles is white, so there'll be a lot of white candles. Jerry, I'm in Los Angeles right now. I'm actually in Santa Monica, but I'm in West Coast time. Yeah. Where you at, Jerry? Miami. Nice. Let me look up this candlestick pattern, because I don't have to be confused on this. Hold on. Okay, so oh shit. Hold on. Oh Lord. Based on the candlestick pattern I'm seeing, a harami is called a bearish harami cross. So as soon as I'm in profit, I'm getting out, like, because it shows the arrow going down, and I'm not even about to take any chances. Let me zoom in and see where I'm at. It's called a bearish harami. Now, it don't mean it's going to happen like this all the time. We're dealing in probabilities. I mean, it's even having a hard time pushing up. I mean, look at that. And it's creating a belt hold as well. Come on, man, just push up a little more. Get about this bitch. Look at that. It's having a hard time pushing up, because that momentum of bearish is so strong. That's why as soon as I get something, I'm gone. Because this pattern right here, based on candlestick analysis, is bearish. Bearish Harami cross. Shit, I probably need to get out now. Wow, it's taking all day. It won't even move. Look at that. Shit won't even move. So much bearish momentum. Jesus Christ. You see this belt hold right here? This is bullish. This is a bearish move coming because there was no wick. It's called a belt hold. Wow, look at this. This is a strong bullish move. It has no wicks. This is called Maribosa. I'm pronouncing it correctly. Let me see. Hold on. It's no wick. This actually may create a cross right here, and this would be a evening star. The price coming back down, but this is kind of counterintuitive. Yeah, look at this. Maybe I got in. Maybe I got in too early. See, bullish belt hold pattern. It's kind of counterintuitive, bullish. No, this isn't a belt. This isn't a belt hold. This is a Maribosa. Hold on, let me get the correct pronunciation. Hold on. Marubozu. Yeah, Marubozu. That's the name of it. It's having a hard time pushing down. So let me look this up. The bullish Marubozu. I know what it means. I just want to look it up again one more time. So a bullish Marubozu indicates there's so much buying interest in the stock that the market participants are willing to buy the stock at every price point during the day. Okay. Yeah, this isn't a belt hold pattern. This is a Marubozu. So I haven't seen one in a while. I always see like the belt hold patterns. So this is a good sign of upward movement. So I'm not going to close the trade just yet. You got to remember every time the candle starts over, it's people trying to pull it up and pull it down at every second. So it not pushing down and staying above this candle is right at 25%, 30% of this candle. So you got to wait it out, see what the next one does. Let me go back to bullish Marubozu. Marubozu. um, Sometimes what I like to do, I do this from some of my teachers as well. They hold on, let me go back to the chart. Let me try to split the screen up into two. I got to keep my eyes on the chart so I can know to exit it at the right time. Uh-oh. Next candle closed bearish. Came out bearish. Yeah, she said you can go down to the minute chart. I don't like going down to the minute because it's so many Marubozu candles. You know, I just like the 5 minute because I think it gives a little more breathing room to see what's going on. Also, this was a Marubozu and it engulfed this whole candle right here as far as the opening and closing price. That's a good sign too. Um, this is indecision right here. It's doji, and then it shows what people are really trying to do. Um, Damn, I think I may be taking a loss. Yeah, I think I may be taking a loss on this shit. Never know. This still has to be spiking out on the RSI. Yeah, it is. This is the hour chart. I forgot. It's gonna take a while for it to come back. Yeah, I didn't think about that before I got in. Hold on. All right. It may give me some room. Let's see. As soon as I get something, I'm out. Just trying not to take a loss, man. See where I made a mistake with this one. Jesus, this must be an indecision line right here. Yeah. See right here, price tried to push up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, it's hard. It's been a challenge to push up past this line. So now I know next time to get in where price is not hasn't been. Oh, look at that. See, I'm still not in profit because of the goddamn spreads with these brokers, man. You see, look at this. I'm 4 pips over the line, and it still won't give me any profit because these spreads. So she said, I'm on a minute chart. I'm on a 1 minute chart. And see if it closes like this, I already know it's about to get knocked back down. It's just as a hammer. The longer the wick means a potential reversal. See, like right here. Yeah. Oh, Lord. It come to BS. Boom. I see somebody in the chat said, yeah, his name is Derek Vanderliner, if I'm pronouncing that correct. So he basically traded the 1 minute and 5 minute his whole first year, the way he did it. I don't do it like that. I'm just doing it right now to to see when to get out, see what the candles is doing at the lowest range. They also have a 30-second, a 5-second candle. That's just too crazy. But so let me know, the people that's in the chat right now, are you guys at work or what are you guys doing? Were you able to watch this recording, screen recording? Oh shit, that's a hammer right there. See that? Price is gonna get knocked back down. Yep. Daniel said, yeah, what I learned is, Daniel, I see the question you just asked. Oh, well, yeah, it didn't get knocked down right here, but usually, oh, look at this. We got a big spike. We got a big spike going up right now. Now, you see this candle right here, it closed. This is a belt hold because it has no wick. This is a hammer belt hold. So it did spike up. You see, it still didn't give me any profit because of the spread. I still didn't get anything. Still in the negative. 7 pips. Donovan said, don't give up. I'm not. As soon as I get something, I'm out. I just don't want to take a loss. That's all. Now, what you guys can do, look at this. What you guys can do is go to my FX book and then attach it to whatever broker you have, and it'll show you like your win loss ratio. It shows you everything, like the time of the day, the currency. I mean, it's really detailed. Myfxbook.com. Yeah. you on your lunch break? Carolyn said she on her lunch break. I ain't eaten nothing yet. I'm actually about to eat something. I feel like I'm intermittent fasting or some shit right now. I didn't eat nothing all day. Just been drinking liquids. Uh, okay, I didn't know you guys could see. I thought you could see my head. Yeah, I do have like a. I do a fitness podcast too. Just look up Elegant Body Magic hashtag. I'm on Spotify and stuff like that. Anyway, we talking about trading right now. We're not talking about fitness. Um, yeah, but you guys got to be on the lookout for this because I don't want you to be confused. I was really confused at first. I thought the broker was trying to get over on me, but you see this spread right here, 7 pips. I don't make anything until after that. I've already peeped game on this. So the way this works is, let's say I want to get out right here. If I want to get out right here, I have to set the whatever area I want to get out 7 pips above the stop loss or take profit 7 pips above where I actually want to get in at. It's for profit because it's not going to take you out until on the standard lot that's $70. It's bullshit. One standard lot. Yeah, you see how this now it's trying to push back down. This candle engulfed this one right here, these two. If I go to the 5-minute chart, you'll see a white candle engulfing this price. Watch this. Go down to the 5-minute. See? Oh, gosh. Give me some mercy. Let me get out with a profit, please. I got in at the wrong entry. Mm-hmm. They actually have like where I'm at right now. They have a Subway and they have this healthy store. Where I'll probably go to the healthy store and load up. Yeah. Hold on, somebody just came new in the chat. Hey, no, I'm not a teacher at all. I'm just recording my own trades, and then I have people that like jump on for whatever reason. So that's all that this is. All right, so looks like I may be able to get out with a profit, possibly. Oh, here we go. Here we go, guys. One more, and I'm in there. Let's see what the spread is. Some bullshit. It's actually more than 7. What's going on with this? Look at this. 9. I actually got in on a high spread. It's crazy, man. I got to figure out how that works. I got to talk to my teacher and see, like, how to do this better. I think because it's the last hour of the trading day, it's so high. I have to ask my teacher, like, how does that work? Still down. Trying to push back up, though. So I'm not waiting around at all. See what's going on the 1 minute. It may show like a little more clarity because we had another Maribozu right here. Little hammer. Looks like a hammer. This is a belt hold, so price is gonna go down. shoot down right here. It's a hammer belt hole. Yeah. This right here is a dragonfly, I believe. Let's see. Dragonfly doji. Yeah, to the upside. Yeah, it's about to push to the downside. But you see, even though you see it's slightly creeping up, though. You see that? Higher lows. This is a higher low, higher low, higher low. It's probably going to close at a hammer, come back down, and then get up. So it's basically retracing back up. So I should be able to get something before it actually closes. So um, uh, for the people that's in the chat, um, let me know if you're trading right now or you're just kind of like watching this video or whatever. If you have, or let me know how long you've been doing this or practicing this, whatever. Nice. Somebody said something about hold on quick, guys. Sorry about that. All right, so it's shooting up now. Okay, we only got one person on that. The other 3 people left when my call came in, whatever. So usually like the last 15 minutes where we at now. So a lot of people don't trade at all on Fridays. I understand, but I'm not trying to go long term. I'm just trying to place a short term one. Let's see what the spread is on this so far. See right here, it keeps rejecting down. So this is an area structure right here. If I look to the left, see, yeah, it's 9 pips. Let me see. See what price kept coming up and stopping. Yeah, right here. And if I keep looking left, let me see. Uh-oh. Boom. As soon as it retraced down, I'm gone. When it pulls down, I'm out. I'm already in profit. I'm out. Like, it needs to stay exactly the way it's looking now. I'm out. Boom. Damn, this bad boy shooting up like crazy. That's crazy. Yeah, see, it's spiking up. Boom. You see, I saw that it was being oversold on the RSI. I saw that it peaked out. So now it's exploding up, and it's 10 minutes left in the market. So, I mean, I may just stay where I'm at. Now it's not going to stay. Oh, look at it just spiking up. That's crazy. Holy shit. Damn. Look at this candle. It's fucking crazy, man. It's like a rocket. Wow, it's crazy. I'm glad I got in the right direction. Damn. Now it's trying to suck back down. I don't think so. I'm out. Damn, that's crazy. And I just shot up like that. Oh man. All right. So I appreciate you guys watching, man. I'm about to end the video. You can go on my Facebook page and watch all my trades. I'm not a teacher or anything. I'm just recording my journey. Thanks for watching.